Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you simple facial care routine that you can use to get rid of blackheads, pimple, acne, and forehead. So watch this video to the end as I show you practical ways on how to get this done. If this is your first time of visiting, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's go straight. So this is my face without makeup. I just woke up from bed. I have to go and shower after this video, so let's go straight. So the first thing I have here is sugar. So sugar is very good for exfoliating of the body, all right, because it's a little bit soft. It's not harsh like salt that ends up. Salt is majorly for hyperpigmentation, like peeling off dry skins and all that. So for face, use sugar. Sugar is very good for skin, all right. So the next thing I'm going to add here is lime, all right. So the first thing, look at it. So there's a okay, I have to add only one because the quantity of the sugar I have is really small, so you add accordingly, all right. You can use one, you can use two, but this is just practical. So the next thing I'm just going to do is I'm going to use this to exfoliate my skin. We all know what is exfoliating. Exfoliating means you are removing dead skin cells. So because of the sugar present in this mixture, it will be a little bit strong, so we can use it to exfoliate our face to get rid of pimple, blackheads, and acne. So it's a little bit harsh, like strong. You see, like you're going to be peeling. I'm using this now to form a sponge. Please, when you're doing this, make sure you don't expose your face to sun, because your face might end up burning. Yeah, you don't do that. Okay, and please try as much as possible to avoid it from touching under your eyes. Don't make it touch under your eyes. So it's just so the next thing is that you're going to wait for 30 seconds before washing this off. So for time's sake, I'm going to wash it off right away so that we can proceed to the next step. But make sure you wait up to 30 seconds before washing it off.
Everything I touch will break. And every day you give and I take. I'm living the best that I can, but fate never followed my plans. I'm holding you back, so I want you to pack up and grow.
After this, the next step is our turmeric mask. please note that turmeric is very harsh for sensitive skins. If your skin reacts too much to things, please don't use it. Okay, but you can check face care and maintenance playlist. All right, the playlist face care maintenance, and see the best facial cream to use for your face. All right.
Everything you've done is great, but your back has been feeling exhausted from all of the weight. I'll carry this burden myself. Just put me up high on a shelf. Think of me fondly, but please move beyond me and
so you see that, just wear this for some minutes, like 1 minute is enough. All right, then go and wash it off. When you do this for 2 weeks, you're gonna love your face. Your face will end up looking like a baby. Yeah, but for those of you that have sensitive skin, avoid it. Okay, avoid it if you have a sensitive skin. Okay, you can watch videos on best facial cream to use, alright, on my playlist, face care and maintenance. I'm gonna suggest it here now. Look at it above. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell.